How to lock a OneDrive folder. Do you want to add an extra layer of security to your sensitive files? Here's how to lock a folder in OneDrive using the Personal Vault. Click on the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray and select Open Folder. Double-click on Personal Vault. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up, including verifying your identity. Since I've already done it, it's open right now. Drag and drop the files that you want to secure into the Personal Vault. These files will now require verification to access. It's usually an email verification. Now go to the cloud icon, select Settings, and click Lock Personal Vault. Click on Lock Personal Vault. Your sensitive files are now safely locked away in OneDrive's Personal Vault. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.